Hello everyone and welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will dive into time series analysis using Pandas. Time series data consists of observation record over time, making it essential to understand and analyze temporal pattern. Let's get started. To demonstrate these concepts, let's use sample data set. Imagine we have data about monthly sales, the date and the corresponding sales amount. So here you can see in January month we have 3 entries, okay, and then rest of the month we have only 1 entries. So just make a note of this one. I will explain this one. So let me run this code. So in this code we are creating a data frame called DF with the time series data. We converted the date column to the date time data type using pd.datetime to ensure proper handling of dates. Now moving ahead, here in this code, to perform time series analysis effectively, it's crucial to set the date index column, to set the date column as an index by using the setIndex function and setting in place equals to true. We make the date column the index of our data frame. So let me run this data frame. You can see here we have our date column and it is serving as an index. Now resampling allows us to change the frequency of our time series data. So in this example here we are resampling the data on monthly frequency using the resample function with the m argument. We then calculate the sum of the sales for each month. Let me run this code. So here you can see that this is aggregated data, and if you see here we have in January month, as I told you, we have multiple dates, right? So it sum of the data, it aggregate the data into monthly basis. And that's wrap up today's episode on time series analysis using Pandas. So by properly handling dates, setting the index, utilizing resampling techniques, we can gain valuable insight into temporal pattern in our data. Stay tuned for more exciting topic in our Pandas series. Thank you for watching.